everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. Hello, waving at toe. We have this lovely patient here who actually had a lot of fungal infection and it's doing well, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's recovered nicely, yeah.
It's just that suddenly, it's not suddenly, but how long has this been like that for?
The ingrown toenail?
Yeah.
Probably a week or so.
A week or so. So, yeah, it looks pretty good. And what is that white stuff on it? What is it?
It's one of the pastes, I think. The antifungals.
We give paste. So we're just going to take that off. So sometimes when you have an ingrown toenail and it digs really further in, it can cause some discoloration at the tip where it irritates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my nippers and I'm really just going to go in. I apologize, it may hurt.
Okay,
it's okay to yell.
Okay.
We accept the yelling.
I'll control myself.
Control yourself. I'll be very gentle. So let me just have a feel first at what is going on so that I can gauge. So I can feel it. Okay, yeah, it's really deep. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm just gonna like really lean in and give some more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just gonna do another step. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's good. Gonna pull out this. Grab it with the nippers. Ta-da! Surprise! So that was all the way inside, well hidden. There you go.
Not too painful, really.
Not too painful, yes.
Yeah.
I've been doing this for a while. So what we're going to do is just clean this up now. This is the bit where it might bleed a little bit. That was never going to come out by itself.
No.
If it was going to come out the other end. Here's. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove all this tissue just to allow space. Oh, stringy, like string cheese. I've been doing loads of YouTube, TikTok videos related to food.
Okay.
Feet. Last one I did was about cottage cheese. Now we have string cheese.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella, yes. I wonder how long I could go for a cheese theme for, actually. I'm surprised you didn't know. Yeah, it has a YouTube channel since 2018.
Okay.
It's not that big, but...
I'll subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe, say hello. I personally reply to majority of the comments, so if you do, I'll go hello. Just all that debris, you just need to kind of like get it out, create some space. Also, it can harbor infection like fungus and stuff.
Yeah.
So what we're doing is just cleaning it out. Trying not to hurt you too much, but I'm happy with that. So the issue is that the nail is very curved inwards. It's like that.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is just wait for the nail to grow out.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to taping it so that it can create some space. But you might, to be honest, you might need nail surgery on this toe.
Okay.
Because it's like literally like that.
Constantly growing in the direction around.
Yeah.
Okay.
So don't be alarmed if that does come into my fortune telling skills is like really accurate. as the same as my fungal nail treatment. My fortune telling skills pretty good. But this is not too painful, right?
No, it's not painful at all.
Yeah, just when I is that painful? What's that? A little bit of string cheese, yeah. We'll give him a black spot too. A little bit more love. Okay, so let's have a black spot, Stephanie, just digging into the skin, okay? So we have the wound here, we've got the nail here, cut just a little bit more off. I'm gonna give this patient what we call this black spot. You get goodies when you come to this clinic. So I'm just gonna clean that. So it's great to clean out all that lovely cream or paste, what you call it, fancy words. And what you wanna do is just file that down. Little bit by little, not too painful, right?
Okay.
Yeah, and you can see that there's a little bit of debris coming out, and that's nail. And the more you file it, as the nail grows, hopefully it won't dig in. Another thing you're gonna do is, not right now, but we'll teach him, is gonna tape the toe back. So let's tape it. And also I think this is very smooth looking toe here. So you wanna put the tape onto the side of the toe, and there's no like right way of doing it, it's whatever it stays, and probably do it in the night time. Hold on to the tape, and then pull. Can you feel that?
Yeah.
You see that?
Pulls it back from the nail, actually.
Yeah, exactly, creating more space. Then you need another piece to go around to hold it in place.
Okay.
But as you walk and things like that, it comes out. As you sweat, it comes out. So I think after you shower, after the creams and powder settles, then tape it so it's on when you're sleeping. So we'll give you these two. So if you do need to cut it, so the main thing is when you cut your nails, remember you've got like that. That's literally you've got here and there. So make sure you cut this bit or this bit.
Okay.
And like I said, you might need nail surgery because it's like hooked in itself. So we're going to dress it now with space.
Yeah, because I think as a kid, I think I probably had a lot of ingrown toenails, but it probably was the nail was healthy at that point, and it was just more inclined to do that, really.
Yeah. So just a little bit of antiseptic and a plaster. Let me just touch it first. Always do the touch test. Does that feel better?
Yeah, it definitely feels better. It's not digging into the sides of the.
That side is fine. So let me just check this side. Sorry. Yeah. So you just smooth it. If you smooth it, then it isn't like a lot of debris in here. So I would boil this in hot water.
Okay.
Yeah, before you.
Just to sterilise it.
Yeah, because you know how OCD I am and how OCD you should be. There's a plaster. And then we'll see you again in, well, if the ingrown toenail acts up again, or a little bit longer, 6-7 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
I suppose once the drug treatment's finished, and then
yeah.
see where we are.
Well, we do the test and hopefully negative, and then voila. But they're all looking. So they were all. Can I put a picture of your before? Yeah. So this is during. We probably have 2 months to go, but this is so. There's still a little bit of the tip there. You see some yellowing there. This is the other foot. A little bit of kind of distortion yellowing there. So it's not done, but it's getting there. They were all quite distorted and quite yellow before. But we'll do some before and after pictures later. So just a little tiny plaster. And I always like to, because the feet moves quite a bit, always like to put a little bit more tape just to secure it. Like that. Also make it look pretty. Like that. Oh, voila. Excellent. Wonderful.